Good morning, all. Let's try to get some trades off today. Something like that. That's too many points. That's too many points. Yeah. Ooh, it should have tapped that. 70 to 80.
Order filled.
We just need to get it up here to 80. Come back up to the top. Let me see if I can put a sale up here. What's this? 50. Might be getting ready to get out anyway, so come on up. Come on up. And say rotate off of 80 back down. We saying go through. Go up to 20. Go up to 20. It was so close. Just needed to pop through these highs, or these 3 candles, to take this bad boy off. Otherwise, I add down here. It's 30 points away. So that is crazy, bro. This the highs. Well, that ain't even the highs. That's these couple candles from now 29. You're pulling back too much. I ain't ask you to rotate all the way back down to 20. Dudes. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Ain't ready to roll back over yet, are you? I don't think we had news today. Could have swore I ain't seen none yesterday when I was looking the calendar, the economic calendar. So that's a good thing. Only thing we got to worry about is if we get some kind of weird tweet. There we go. I'm gonna take it a start. I'll stop. Take it off. There's one down. Man. I'm gonna take a buy right here. See if we can get it to pop back up. If we can get an entry. Ooh, what?
Order filled.
Need to go ahead and throw this one down here. That would have been salty if it actually could have tapped both of them and end up that volume came in. Ooh, that might not be good for me. That might not be good for me. You know, tap VWAP and want to turn back around. Let me throw my order up here. I'm gonna throw it up at 80. Just in case it pulled one of those. I need you to come back to VWAP, homie. I don't need you rolling over. Right back into where you came from. Where am I? Exit 43. What's VWAP? 48. Be nice if it just came back up there, ain't? 48. 48. Let's root it on 48. 48. Even though I only need that 43, but 48. That actually would have tapped. Yeah, down far enough. Tap me in, push back up. $48. Okay, I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. run this 27.2 just in case. Just in case I don't make it home tonight. For the last time, baby. Come on, you're going the wrong way, bro. VWAP is up top. Let me see, it's to the top of the 1 hour candle. What time was that candle? 7? Yeah. Just in case. Come on. Get up to 43. 48. 48. So you're gonna just roll back over, huh? So that's what we doing today. We're gonna start off early today, huh? All right.
Order filled.
All right, that's what we doing today. I'm gonna have to throw that double orders up here. Seal, just in case you want to flash back up. Come on. Look, you're gonna roll up. You're gonna just go down, huh? What's this? 28. Back up in this range. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I ain't playing with you today.
Order filled.
Yo, y'all just letting this mug go. Y'all playing,
Order filled.
man, playing around here now. Bye. I need you to drop back below 200. Go. Keep playing. Go. I'm being greedy, I already know. Because I would have just took that off as soon as it popped below 200. Now the buyers want to step in and hold it up. A little bit up under there. I see you trying to get aggressive. I'm gonna take you down.
Order filled.
I'm emotional and I can't let go. I am trying to hold on to you. Bro, why you keep doing that every time you take my orders? You better spring back up then. Girl, it hurts me so. Gotta let you know that the love that we share once was through. Saying goodbye to you. You seem to hurt me purposely. Come on, bro. Didn't understand it. Bro, if you get back up there, I'm just gonna take it off. Uh-oh. Taking it off. You take it too long.
Order filled.
Move this up here. What's this? Yeah. You're just all the way confused today, huh? That what we doing? Is that what we doing, NASDAQ? I guess that is what we doing. Ooh, I did. I'm right on support. I ain't even noticed that. We had a bounce off, rejection off, a bounce off, a bounce off, a bounce off. Man, what did I just get myself into? That don't look promising. Whoa, I was. Oh my God, this thing is in. Man. That's why this bad boy. I guess. It's showing public. I don't know if it's going. My little chat boxes jacked, bro. 83. I'm gonna need you to come through these lows, homie. Homie, stop bouncing right here. I don't know, this kind of annoying me. I had to mess around. Stop my stream and restart it. Once I come about this trade, I definitely am. Time is 10:23. I'm missing up my I would like a spring down to here. A 40-point drop. I sure would like that. I sure would like that. A 70-point. I said go. Bro, what is this? Break and come back through. There we go. Show him who boss. Show him who the boss and go. I'm gonna take it out. Oh my goodness. Take it off there.
Order filled.
And you can go back down. I ain't say keep going up. I said come back down. Let me put the order down here about 20. Just in case you give me, in case you want to give me 30 points. If you want to give it to me, so give me 30 points. Are you come on, bro. A little bit. There we go. I'm gonna take that off.
Order filled.
Take that off.
Order filled.
I ain't gonna run home. Bro, now you got to pull that off. We're gonna run down to opening the lows, pre-market lows. 27.1 is calling you. Said come here. You ain't hear? They said come here. Come here. Come here. That's what it said. It said come here. Say it with me now. Say it come here, brother. Here we go. It said come here. Yeah, we're gonna take it.
Order filled.
Ooh, you gave me a little bit more. I'm gonna take a sale right here for real.
Stop filled.
Because I do like what it's doing. Come back down here. And we are done on the day. Come on. You almost there. You almost there. You almost there. You almost there. Yes, you is. Yes, you is. No! What the heck? No! Come on, bro. Don't do it. Come back down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. No. Come on. What the heck candle was that, bro? No, bro. Come on. Oh, my God. You playing. You play these tricks, bro. Mm-mm. 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 Just watch out, bro. You was doing good. You want to come back down to the low price. You should have did that the other way. That would have been lovely. Come on. Come on, sellers. Stepping in on them. Bro, I won't break that. Bro, break down. The market player with me, bro. I just did. There we go. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm done. I'm a day. I'm done. Whew. I'm sweating. I'm hot. So that's 270, 280, and I'm done. I'm about to get off.